What up? Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely.
Hey guys, Angie Always here. I do want to talk a little bit before I get into this video. So if you clicked on this video, it's because it is a wig tutorial and watercolor method. So I did want to try it on a more natural color, like a brown. So I am making this wig for a client. So I do want to mention her and give her a shout out. Thank you at Follow That Girl with the Curls. That is her YouTube name and her Instagram name. I'll post it somewhere on this video, and I just want to give her a shout out, because thank you so much for supporting me and letting me make this wig for you. We're gonna make a video together just with me kind of giving her like the bases, how to care for the wig, how to put it on and stuff like that. So look out for that. That will be coming soon. I also want to thank my go-to digital girl, and her name is Jessica. We, went to school together, but she is just like my go-to person. She took my graduation pictures, my sister's prom pictures, stuff like that. And her @name on Instagram, on Twitter, and everything is @CurlDerone. And she also created the introduction to my channel. So the intro was all Jess. She did that. She does that. I love her. So thank you again, Jess, for everything. So again, I'm going to post a little bit of the watercolor method, a little bit of me putting the wig together. There's nothing too crazy. And then the next video will be me teaching that girl with the curls how to, just put that wig together. And this will all be part of my SlayedAlways series. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you. Bye-bye. So here I'm just bleaching the knots. Even though it's blonde hair, I do like to bleach the knots just because it makes me feel like the lace looks a little bit better. The hair's already blonde. It's just, a habit of mine, so I do it anyways. So here I am putting the hair in the watercolor. The color is already in there. I'm using a brown. These pots and spoons are not used for cooking. They're personally for me using for hair because I do the watercolor method often, by the way. I put it in 3 times, but the client did end up wanting her hair a little bit darker. She changed her mind. So I did end up having to go back in off camera and dyeing it again. So this is just the final results here. Here I finally start sewing the wig down. I start with the closure using T-pins to hold the closure onto my spandex dome cap. Once I have the T-pins in, I just start sewing extremely tight to make sure there are no gaps, that there are no bubbles, to make sure that when that closure comes on the person's head, my head, whoever's head, it is extremely tight and fits well. Also, please just excuse my attire. I'm definitely coming home from work to, work on this wig. So I'm just trying to chill, be comfortable, some leggings, a nice Game of Thrones t-shirt, and my good old bonnet. Please don't judge me. Now that I'm at the end, I am finishing off the knots, making sure that it is tight and that it won't come off. So I do like a triple, quadruple knot and just finish that off. Then I start on the rest of the wig. So I'm gonna do like a smiley face going along the back of the wig. When it is a closure, I usually go a little bit higher up, but not that close to the top of the closure. So like about an inch or so away from the closure line and just make a smiley face along the bottom. Once I have that smiley face, I make smaller lines going across until I get up until the top, and you'll see that coming soon what it looks like. It just, you know, makes smiley faces if you think about it that way. Okay, so I'm getting to the top of the wig now, and you guys can see here the U shape that I'm talking about. So once you have a lot of smiley face, eventually it starts to form the U, and that's where you start getting closer to the frontal. Once you get to the frontal, you want to make the last line on there extremely close to the frontal and sew onto the frontal. So through the weft and onto the frontal, just to make sure it lays extremely flat on the top of the head. You want that to be as seamless as possible. As you can see, it's a little bit awkward to film showing the frontal part, but I'm doing the best that I can, like I said, on to the closure through the wefts, just so it is like one line, seamless, very, very tight, just to make sure that it lays super duper flat. So as you can see, guys, I am getting to the end of this wig, just making sure to double knot and tighten that up because it is the end. I don't want anything to loosen up later, and you know, just making sure I have everything perfect. I am going to blow dry this wig and flat iron it for the client, which I will give you a little bit of a preview of. But to see the rest of this wig, you will have to tune in to my SlayedAlways series part 2 of this wig. We have not named her yet, but we will come up with a name soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it has helped some of you. I would like to make a more beginner friendly video next time, so stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned for a sneak peek of this wig on Follow That Girl with the Curls. The whole process will be in part 2 of this video on my channel. This is Angie Always. Thank you guys so much for coming. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.